Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact database engine and version so you pick the right driver. Once done, create a limited database user and stash credentials in environment variables or a secrets vault rather than hard coding. Then make a Python virtual environment and install the connector library that matches your DB. Finally, construct a minimal connection string and run a short connectivity test script to ensure authentication and network access are working before you write queries. Now you implement the connection code, import the driver, read credentials from env-vars, and open a connection using a context manager so resources close automatically. Create a cursor and run parameterized queries. This prevents injection and handles types correctly. For inserts or updates, wrap operations in a transaction, check results, and call commit only after all steps succeed. If you prefer higher abstraction, consider SQL Alchemy for ORM and connection pooling. Log errors and query finish by ensuring connections are closed or returned to a pool to prevent exhaustion. In scripts, use context managers, and in servers, use a pool. Fetch rows efficiently with fetchown or fetchmany for large datasets, and always handle empty results. For deployment, include retries and exponential backoff for transient network errors. If something fails, enable the driver's debug logging and rerun a simple connection test from the same host to isolate credential, network, or driver mismatches. That single test often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.